this is Nirmal Basmudar on your YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how the fake version of COC is being used. अबे यार सब कुछ तो फन करने के लिए होता है, तो let's try and enjoy our video. And please do like my videos and share, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. अबे यार भाई को अपना प्यार नहीं दोगे क्या? So I took my new Vivo V7 Plus, so I will show you my Royal War COC hacked version. I have my old version, but it is I started just before my exam. It's not so old, just it is on Town Hall 8. I'll show you here, just check it out. This is my real COC. So this is my clan Borderland Jagur. If anybody wanna join, please join us. So this is my level 8 town hall. I have just started before my final exam. So this is the real original version. So I'll show you the hacked version one. Hope you all enjoy. If you want this hacked version COC, you can contact me on my Gmail account. I'll give it on the description. Net is too slow here. I have used 1.96 GB today. Oh my god, I have never used that much. Wow, this is my COC. It's just level 5. I have not upgraded since, I don't get much time. So let's find out what we can do on this hacked version. So I would like to buy some things. I'll go to shop, my resources. Wow, 1000 builder hearts, 1000 elixir, 1000 elixir storage. Oh my god. Wow, everything is 1000. Even gem, clock tower, dark elixir. Oh my god. Wow, I would like to build it here. Yeah, I have enough. Wow. Whoa, it is max already. Oh. Whoa. I never thought that I can. Oh, it's really interesting. Anybody wants this? Wow, ice widget. So I would like to buy some of the defenses. Like, whoa, eagle. I've never seen such a. Whoa. It's enough for me. So what else I want? Inferno tower. Wow, level 10. I have widget tower. Level 2. So what else I want again? X-bow. Level 9. Yeah, again. Oh, it's too noisy. Yeah. Double cannon. I'd like to put it here. On my here. Upgrade. Wow. The level 5 is enough. So again, what else I get here? Oh, Mega Telesa. Oh, level 8. Oh my god. Level 10, yeah. 5 already. Let's see. Yes, 10. Enough. Wow. What else you can do? Let's make our Archer Queen to be in level 10. We don't want much. So we are on level 9 now. We'll be on level 10. Our Inferno Tower. I want it to be on max. Yeah, it's max. Yeah, here is a widget. Yeah, max. This is the thing I like. Builder base double cannon level 4. Oh, they want my cannon to be on level 4? Don't worry, soon it will be. Double cannon. Builder base, huh? Oh, there. Wait, don't worry. I want this to be the max. Whoa, what's the next level of Super P.K.? Yeah? Let's find out. It's already 12, 13. Oh my god. Ah, level 17 is the max level. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. This is a hack version, so anybody interested, you can ask. If anybody is interested to have this hack version, you can contact me. Oh. Okay, so if anybody is interested to have this hacked version, you can contact me in my Gmail account. It is just here. I'll give you nirmalbasmati2605220@gmail.com. This is my email account, so if you want this hack version, you can mail me there. So let's give you a trial of this. Just check out. Whoa, 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 what's this? Let's have a try of Mega Telesa. Destroy. Whoa. Whoa, it's really interesting. With no second, you can finish up. That's the thing I like the most. Yeah, baby. Let's have some fun. Within no second we can finish. Wow. So what else we want again? Yeah, as we are in the modern age. You're like, huh? What the hell? Whatever the things we use, it just become disappear. Oh my god, I'm feeling to cry. Leave it. Who cares? I can do whatever I want. So thank you for watching my video. So please subscribe my channel and क्या यार भाई का चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं करेगा क्या? दूसरा वीडियो जल्द ही जल्द आने वाला है. So just enjoy. Thanks for watching my video.